Breaking news. A surprise federal raid at a New York snack bar factory left dozens detained, and families scrambling for answers. Federal immigration agents stormed the plant in an early morning operation. Workers were detained on the spot, leaving children waiting outside school and families terrified. After the raid, the factory floor was left eerily silent. Families gathered outside, anxiously waiting for news while authorities processed the detained workers inside. Community leaders say these raids are tearing families apart while officials defend them as part of the administration's new crackdown on undocumented workers. News of the raid quickly spread through the city, with headlines calling the operation shocking. Community members gathered to demand answers from officials. As the story unfolded, local organizations offered support to affected families, while heated debates erupted over the government's approach to immigration enforcement. The debate is sparking outrage across the country. Should workplace raids like this continue, or are they crossing a line? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.